Why work as a full-stack developer? Are you passionate about technology and coding? Are you looking for a career that offers endless opportunities and challenges? Consider becoming a full-stack developer. In this video, we'll explore why working as a full-stack developer can be an exciting and rewarding choice. As a full-stack developer, you have the power to build dynamic and interactive websites and applications from scratch. You possess a diverse skill set that includes both front-end and back-end development, making you a valuable asset to any organization. 1. A full-stack developer has the ability to work on all aspects of a project. From designing user interfaces and writing clean code to managing databases and ensuring smooth server-side operations, you have the opportunity to be involved in every step of the development process. 2. It allows you to become a versatile problem solver. You'll tackle challenges, find efficient solutions, and improve the overall user experience. 3. Full-stack development skills are in high demand across industries. Whether you're interested in e-commerce, finance, healthcare, or technology startups, and your expertise as a full-stack developer opens doors to a wide range of exciting career opportunities. 4. Many full-stack developers express satisfaction with their earning potential. The ability to work on diverse projects and contribute to all aspects of development gives them a competitive edge in negotiations and salary discussions. To further your knowledge and stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field, we invite you to subscribe to Sprintzeal's YouTube channel. Join our community of like-minded professionals, and let's embark on this coding journey together. Subscribe now and unlock your full potential as a full-stack developer.